Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how you see your transaction history in Google Pay. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Google Pay application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up Google Pay guys, you'll be greeted by this new page where you can go ahead and log into your account. So guys, what you want to do is go ahead and log into your account, and after doing that, if you do not already have one, just go ahead and sign up for a new one. So after logging in, you will now be greeted by this new main page right here, which is the home page of the application, where you can see all of your info and all the options that you can access, such as set up tap to pay, you can send or request money, you can track spending, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how you see our transaction history. So guys, basically it is very easy. There are two ways. The first thing is to go ahead and click on your profile picture right here in the upper right corner. Click on your profile picture, and after clicking on your icon guys, this will now open up this new menu, as you can see, where you can see all your options in Google Pay, such as seeing your balance, you can see your wallet, you can invite friends, and so on. And here you will be able to see linked accounts and payment methods. In that section, you will be able to see your transaction history. But guys, if you want an even simpler method, just go back to the home page, and as you can see at the bottom of the page, it says activity, where you can see if you add your account, you can view all your transactions right here. I currently have not added an account, so I cannot see them, but all your transactions will be available right here at the bottom of the page, so you can just click on any transaction that you need to see, and it will open up right here. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it, and it's very easy. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.